Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to add a search bar to your Wix website? This tutorial will walk you through the steps to integrate a search bar, making it easier for visitors to find content on your site. Let's add a search bar to your Wix website today. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing, guys, that you need to do is to go ahead and open wix.com. Now after that, go to your site, and from there click on your site and click on select site. They will take you to your dashboard of your specific site. So the next thing is to simply click on edit site so you can go to the page builder. Let's go here, edit site, and we will be here on the page builder. Now to make the search effect, or basically the search bar in the menu or whatever you want on the site, that's need a little bit of work. So there is many ways to do so. For example, you could literally have a template that already have a search bar in it. You can, in case you had like a bar or menu like that, you can like basically go to the settings of it, and you can go to quick edit, or basically editor add-ons, get add-ons, and go search for search bar. Here you can go for elements basically and search for a search bar. So there is a lot of things. First of all, let's go ahead and add a column. For example, here we have 3 columns, and let's edit the specific column exactly how we want it to be. So this is like, we can manage column, we can remove one, we can edit one, we can copy one, and work in it. Now for the layout, as you can see, we can make it in the center. And now we still want to add and remove a couple of things. So we can remove, for example, these. You've deleted the login bar. Let me just delete it. Let me just delete everything here by now. And I'm gonna try to move this a little bit. Yeah, let me manage columns again. Alright, I don't want it to be that big, but it seems like this is what we came for. Alright, let me just move this here, for example. Let's move this around here. Let's move this around here. And now we only need to add like the search bar. Now for the search bar, you can either go for elements and search for a search bar. You can, for example, here search bar, and we simply have to wait, and you can go for a site search and go to the menus, as you can see here, and add Wix site search. And as you can see, add on Wix site search, and it's gonna take few minutes or few seconds until it's basically loads to the finish or the ending, and then they will give you this search bar, which you could move right through here, make it smaller so it can fit in your column. Something like that could be good. You can go to the settings, and as you can see, placeholder text, you can change the text of it. For example, just 3 points. We can leave it empty. So let's write search. Yeah, let's write search. We will not lose anything. Here, after show result suggestion when a user starts typing, show trending items before a user starts. So we can remove this, and we can only keep this one since it is the most important thing. Manage search results. You can manage the search results simply by this bar or this effect right here. So you can manage settings. For example, what to show on the search when someone is searching. For example, show product, show other pages in case you had any other pages, show, for example, a blog article, show something specific that you want to show. And basically, for example, if you want to turn off your product, you can go here, turn them off, so they cannot really find your product. So this is like a very good thing, since they will be able to find all the products in sort like a nicer way, an organized way, in case they didn't know how to navigate to your sites. There's a lot of people that doesn't know how to navigate to a website, which the search bar can make it very easier for them to navigate through it, to have everything in its correct place, so they can literally just make everything correct and have the correct area for everything and search for anything they want very fast. Especially if you had, for example, let's say you have a website with thousands and thousands of products. Let's say, for example, Amazon, that they have thousands and millions of products, I think, which basically is very impossible for someone to find a specific product if they didn't have the search bar. So the search Amazon here is very important, which makes it very easy for people to actually get the access to the specific wanted product. In case this Amazon wasn't here, well, basically people would be like looking in the website for 3 hours just to find a specific product, especially if it was only in the first few pages. But if it was in the last pages, then it's gonna take them a whole day. That is exactly why we are using the search bar in our sites, and this is exactly why we are talking about the search bar in this video. Now, the search bar cannot be only added in this section. We can add it in multiple sections as we want. Let's go, for example, to the home page, and we can add it, for example, in a section. Let me just create a new section. For example, I would like it to be right here, so I'm going to click on add section, and from here I'm going to click and choose blank section. This blank section will be added directly with the colors of the page. I'm going to change it to white so we can match the visibility of the search bar. And here I'm going to click on add elements, and again I'm going to search for the search bar. So there we go. Let me just choose this one and drag it right here. For example, I'm going to add another text and paste it right here, and I'm going to write in with a darker color, search for yourself. And just like that, I have this written in here. Let's make it smaller. Oh, we need to do this. We can have this middle, just like that, and we can basically copy the color. We can go like that, edit, no, not like that, but I meant this one. Go here, and we can customize the design. Fill color, I don't want it to be that, I want it to be dark. For the icon, I want it to be white. And just like that, we have created this pretty cool design. Also, we need to color the line, or basically the border. So I'm gonna go with border, go here, darker color, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, also there is the text, which I totally forgot about. We can go here, customize design, the texts. I think it's gonna be this text color dark also. And yeah, is there anything else to change? I don't think so. Maybe the shadows, apply shadow. Yeah, it's standing out right now. It's very good. We could add like a couple of images in here and in here with the PNG images. That could be very helpful as well. And yeah, this is like pretty cool, which is not in the menu, but still there is a search bar that we could literally add in the middle of the site. So you could either add it in the menus, just like we did in here, or add it in the middle of the site whenever you want, whatever you want exactly. So yeah, guys. That was pretty much it for today's video. I showed you how to add a search bar into your Wix websites. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe in our channel. And of course, if you do have and faced any kind of mistake or problem during this video, make sure to mention it down below in the comment section so I can cover the solution of it in the next upcoming videos. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.